Hello everyone, it's 16th February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have AI Summit begins today, real world solutions on the table. Then we have we invite world's data to reside in India, says Prime Minister. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have government Sabarmati Ashram revamp runs into resistance. One family holds out. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have the garbage city, again very important for society perspective. Then we have to build homes for officials. Delhi government identifies 6 sites, again very important. Moving forward, we have with 14-fold jump in civic body wins, how Congress started its big urban comeback in Telangana, again very important. Moving forward, we have India-US security ties on upward trajectory, says US commander, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have class 12 students can choose one subject for improvement in supplementary examination, again very important for education perspective. Then we have skewed Jammu Kashmir quota data set to sharpen debate, again very important. Moving forward, we have the explain page where we have at global event India aims to spotlight local solutions, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have refurbished medical devices, a new global versus domestic debate, again very important for health perspective. Then we have AI debate has moved from use to accountability, that is progress, again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have the 4 stanzas of Vande Mataram, a truncated song, a long running row, again very important for art and culture perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have on building public AI, governments must be tactical but remain flexible, again very important for artificial intelligence, science and tech perspective. Then we have trade pact opens doors with caution and with quota systems in agriculture, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have under Tariq Rahman, Bangladesh has a choice, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the economy page where we have oil demand to touch new high in financial year 27 on rising use of key fuels, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have RBI's plans to compensate victims of fraud transactions, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have why India is pushing social media companies to block content quicker, again very important for economic perspective. Move forward, we have the world page where we have Europe pushes back, says US talk of civilizational ensure is untrue. Then we have China, the real threat, says Taiwan in rebuff of Wang's speech. Then we have US boards another oil tanker after tracking it from Caribbean Sea. Then we have Gaza's Nasser hospital condemns MSF decision to suspend services. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have inside government menopause clinics, a helpline for midlife women. Then we have men too can have severe vitamin B12 deficiency. Then we have why HbA1c test may be failing Indians living with diabetes. All these news are very important for health perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.